Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best one charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for our modern digital lives, powering everything from smartphones and tablets to laptops and even some home appliances. In a world where we are constantly on the go and reliant on our devices, having a reliable and efficient charging solution is no longer a luxury but a necessity. This device aims to simplify your charging experience, offering a blend of speed, versatility, and convenience that can truly make a difference in your daily routine, ensuring you stay connected and powered up without the usual hassle. Number 5. WAITIEE 3-in-1 Fast Wireless Charger. Meet the WAITIEE 3-in-1 Wireless Charger, your ultimate charging solution. It's designed to be compact, foldable, and incredibly convenient for all your devices. This versatile station can power up your phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It's compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models and AirPods, including Pro versions. Experience lightning-fast charging with up to 15W for compatible phones. It also offers efficient 7.5W charging for iPhones and 10W for various Samsung and Google Pixel models. Your devices are protected with advanced safety features, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature protection. It also includes foreign object detection for added peace of mind. Enjoy a stable charging experience with its non-slip design and a convenient tilt angle for easy viewing. Plus, its foldable nature makes it perfect for travel. The subtle LED indicator lets you know your charging status at a glance. A blue light means it's charging, while a green light indicates standby mode. What we like. This charger offers a unique foldable design, making it incredibly portable for travel. Its adjustable tilt angle is perfect for watching videos or video calls while your devices power up. If you prioritize portability and convenience for on-the-go charging, this is the one for you. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 4. Intoval 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. Introducing the Intoval 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station, designed to power your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It provides safe and steady charging, protecting your devices from overheating and overcurrent. Tired of tangled cables? This elegant charger replaces multiple cords, bringing a clean and organized look to your desk or nightstand. Simplify your life with just one cord. Experience true 15W fast charging and save valuable time. It ensures your devices are fully powered, so you can start your day at 100%. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for any space, from your nightstand to your travel bag. Keep your essentials organized without sacrificing space. This charger comes complete with everything you need, including an adapter and cable. It's beautifully packaged and ready to be gifted, offering a hassle-free setup. What we like. This charger is designed to be exceptionally compact and lightweight, taking up minimal space on your desk or nightstand. It also comes bundled with all necessary accessories and a generous warranty, simplifying your purchase. If you're looking for a minimalist, all-in-one solution that's ready to go right out of the box, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, with no overheating issues. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. 3-in-1 Fast Wireless Charging Station. Introducing our versatile charging station, designed to power up your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Apple and Android models. Enjoy peace of mind with Qi-certified fast charging. Our device is built with safeguards against overcharging, overcurrent, and overheating, ensuring your gadgets stay safe. Experience worry-free charging thanks to advanced multi-protection features. The anti-slip design keeps it securely in place, protecting your devices while they power up. Keep your slim phone case on while charging. This station is designed to work through most cases up to 0.2 inches thick, offering ultimate convenience. Declutter your space with integrated cable storage for your watch and earbuds. You can also position your phone vertically for video calls or horizontally to watch videos. What we like. This charger stands out with its ability to charge both Apple and Android devices simultaneously, offering great flexibility. It also features clever cable storage to keep your space tidy and a sleep-friendly indicator light that won't disturb your rest. If you have a mix of devices or appreciate a clutter-free and peaceful charging environment, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The charger has a compact design that makes it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, supporting fast charging technology. The build quality feels durable and premium, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. ImSaferell 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. Introducing the ImSaferell 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station, designed to power up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Simply place your devices on the stand for a fast and efficient charge. Experience peace of mind with our advanced WAITIE-certified technology. It features multiple safety protections, including overcurrent and overvoltage protection, ensuring your devices are always charged safely. The built-in heat dissipation holes keep it cool during operation. This versatile charger works with a wide range of devices. It's compatible with most WAITIE-enabled smartphones, including the latest iPhones and Samsung models, as well as Apple Watch and AirPods with wireless charging cases. Our intelligent indicator lights show the charging status for each device and automatically turn off after a short period. This ensures a dark and comfortable sleep environment without any distracting lights. Your purchase includes the 3-in-1 wireless charging station, a Type-C power cable, an 18W adapter, and a user guide. We are committed to providing quality products and excellent customer support. What we like. This charger boasts a unique skin-like silicone coating for a premium feel and enhanced protection against scratches. Its design prioritizes safety with massive heat dissipation holes, ensuring cooler and safer charging. If you value a device that feels good in hand, offers robust protection, and maintains optimal charging temperatures, this is a solid contender. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, supporting fast charging technology. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Multi-Tool Kit. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile tool is designed to handle all your yard work needs with ease. It seamlessly transforms between a string trimmer edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and brush cutter. Tackle any task, from trimming grass to pruning branches. Designed for comfort, its lightweight build significantly reduces strain during extended use. You can work for longer periods without feeling tired. Equipped with 220V 4Ah batteries, it delivers robust power for demanding jobs. Experience strong performance that gets the job done efficiently. Assembly and switching between attachments are incredibly simple. You can change tools in just seconds, saving you valuable time. Enjoy a more comfortable working experience. Optimized internal structure minimizes vibration, keeping your arms comfortable and fatigue-free. What we like. This product is not a charger but a versatile 4-in-1 garden multi-tool kit. It offers a string trimmer, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and brush cutter, all in one lightweight package. If you're looking for a single tool to tackle various outdoor tasks and appreciate the convenience of interchangeable attachments, this is the ideal solution for your gardening needs. What people say. Powerful weed trimmer able to slash through 8 to 10 inch tall grass weeds, hedge trimmer can reach tall bushes and tilting blade helps get to awkward spots while keeping you away from brambles, pole saw is effective at reaching tall branches of my oak tree, I've cut branches up to 3 diameter. The greatest advantage is the modular design, where you are able to switch out the attachments quickly and save space in storage, since it is not one long trimmer or pole saw, etc. All the attachments work so well, the batteries have a long run time, easy to switch attachments, and customer service responds the same day, reps are knowledgeable and patient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.